Hadley, tell our art friends what we're going to draw today.
A skier.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker or something to draw with and some
Paper.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first start by drawing our skier's head, and we're going to draw a big circle right in the middle of our paper. We're going to come around. Oh, a big circle for her noggin.
Okay. Let's do it perfect.
Perfect circle.
Right here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, keep going.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
I like it. No, keep going. Oh, no. You did it. Good job. It's okay that our circles look different, right?
Yes.
Because what's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have
Fun.
fun. All right. Should we keep going? Now let's draw the bottom of her helmet. We're going to draw a line that goes across the middle of our circle. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw our eyes. And we're going to draw two circles. We're going to draw them kind of big. I'm going to draw a big circle like this and another one over here on the right. Good job. Now, inside of these, let's draw smaller circles. I'm going to draw it in the top right. And then I'm going to draw another circle right below it that's even smaller. Now let's color in the big circle, but leave these two little ones white. What should we draw next on her eyes?
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes? All right, let's draw 3 little eyelashes. Now, you guys at home don't have to draw the eyelashes if you don't want to. You can leave them off.
Rule number 1, always add eyelashes.
Yes, always add
Eyelashes.
eyelashes. Okay, now let's draw her goggles to protect her eyes while she's skiing. We're going to draw a really cool, crazy, wavy line. We're going to draw a line that comes down under the eye, up in between the eyes,
And down.
and down underneath the eyes.
Okay.
Does that look like cool goggles? Mm-hmm. It's a fun line to draw. If we ever go too fast or we fast forward the video, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you can always.
Pause your video.
Now let's draw our little mouth in between her eyes. I'm going to draw it smiling. Whee! Now we could draw a little design on her helmet too. I'm going to draw a V shape right in the middle. Comes down and then back up. Yes, and then I'm going to draw a smaller V over here on the side. And also on the left side. Now let's draw her body. We're going to draw 2 lines straight down from her head. From her chin.
From her chin.
Yeah, and then down at the bottom, we're going to connect those lines. All right, now let's draw her legs. And we're going to draw one leg higher than the other because it's bent. And that's because she's going downhill skiing. Mm-hmm. And so a lot of times you see one leg is bent. So I'm going to draw a bent line for her knee off to the side.
And go down.
Yeah, and then down. Good. And then we're going to draw a line that comes over and back up.
They're all shapes.
Yep, shapes. It looks like a rectangle, huh? Mm-hmm. Now, this one over here, we're going to draw another leg, but this one's going to be a little longer or taller. We're going to draw a rectangle that comes down and back up.
Because that leg is kind of closer to
Yeah,
the other one.
Yeah, it's closer to you and it's also straight. Good, and then back up. Perfect. All right, now let's draw our feet. And I'm going to draw little small feet, that little ovals, back up. And I'm going to draw that same shape over here. All right, now we need to draw her skis. So I'm going to draw a straight line that comes across the bottom of her foot like that.
Mine looks like she's doing a weird dance.
And they both look like they're doing a weird dance. So we'll draw the first ski right here. We're going to draw a horizontal line. There you go. And then we're going to draw another one that's underneath it, that's straight across, and it's going to go further. See how it goes past the first line? Now over here, we're going to draw a big curve that comes up and connects to the top line. Because the end of the ski, the front of the ski is curved up. Mm-hmm. And then back here, we're going to connect them. All right, now let's repeat those same steps for a second ski. We're going to draw another straight line, comes out, and we want to do it the same distance as the first one we drew. So we're going to start right here, and then maybe draw it right about there.
Okay.
Good. Now we're going to do the same thing. Draw another line right underneath it, parallel, and then go past the top line. Good job. All right, now let's do that curve just like we did on the top ski. And then connect the back.
Boop.
All right, now what is she missing?
Her arms.
Yeah, she's missing arms. We're going to draw raindrop shapes that come out on each side. So we're going to draw a curve that comes out, curves around, and then back up. Yeah. Good. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Curve, and we want to draw it the same size, back up. All right, now let's add a wrist line on each side. Now we need to draw her ski poles. We're going to draw a straight line that comes down like this on each side. And we want those to be the same length also.
It's a long fingernail.
That's disgusting. Now on each ski pole, we're going to draw an oval on the end like that. And then also an oval over here on this side. Perfect. All right, now what is she missing?
Her hair.
Yeah, she's missing cute long hair, just like you. All right, we're gonna draw an S line first. We're gonna go up, down, and then back up.
Up, down, up.
Yeah. Now, if you guys at home left the eyelashes off and you're drawing a boy, you don't have to draw the long hair if you don't want to.
You
Or
could draw spiky.
you could draw spiky hair. You could even draw crazy curly hair. You could draw all kinds of hair, right? Yeah, you can change it any way you want. Now down here at the bottom, we're gonna draw a curve that comes back, down and into her head. Now if you want, you could also draw the same shape over here on this side for pigtails.
Yeah.
That'd be cute. All right, let's add a few more details to her clothes. We're gonna add little spikes just like we did on her helmet. I'm gonna add one right here on the side of her body, and I'm gonna add another spike over here on the left side. Then I can also add, let's add another, oh, she's gonna kind of look like a tiger. I'm gonna add another spike over here on this side also. She looks awesome.
It's called the Spikinator.
Spikinator. Now you guys can add all kinds of designs. You don't have to draw the same ones we drew, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, she's gonna look so much cooler once we color her. Now that you did it, you finished coloring your little skier, and I colored mine the same way you colored yours.
Yes.
I love the colors that you picked out. It looks awesome. Now you guys at home can pause the video to match the same coloring, or you can use your imagination and color your skiers any way you want. In fact, I hope you change them. You could even add a background. That would be really cool.
Yes.
You could add the little ski lift in there too. That would
Yeah.
be awesome.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your skiers.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Oh. Are you being a skier? Oh. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.